welcome to Cassey's channel, and today we are making Filipino fruit salad. Cassey will tell the ingredients.
Okay, just help her, Kuya. So we have here, I will just explain it to you. Okay, this one, you know these things, Kuya? Show it.
Sweet condensed milk. So these are the ingredients. My favorite, sweetened condensed milk, and my Jello, and Cassey, and pineapple.
That's a fruit cocktail.
Wait, there's no pineapple? Oh.
There is pineapple there.
And
So
these
we have.
are my favorite.
Okay, and then don't forget the Nestle cream.
That's Cassey's.
No, I will just help her. She's not really familiar with this one. And then we have the fruit cocktail. These are not sponsored, but these are the available at the Filipino store. We have kaong, and it's still kaong. It's just a red color. Kaong. Okay, and then we don't have the how do you call this one? The fresh buko. So we're just gonna make use of the Buko Pandan. So Cassey is holding the, yeah, you can, but it's gonna be after. You wanna try now? Okay. You do like this. I will show you first, okay? You do like that. Look at that.
Wow. Oh, I wanna try.
Okay.
Wait, can I try?
Yeah.
Now my turn, Cassey. I just started. The other one's now can be my turn. I just started, so you have to wait, Cass.
Okay. Let her give her her turn. So she's been really waiting for that. Ooh, these are like actually so big. I should have prepped. Okay, come on. Got it, babes? Babes, you're not even doing something. I will show you. You do like this. Like that. Yeah. Well, you're actually not doing it. Mm-hmm. Okay, so I'm gonna open everything and then we're gonna mix it, okay?
Yeah, I know.
Alright. Are you having fun with that? Mm-hmm.
This is much more core than the knife.
Yeah, it's much better, huh? Much better than using the butter knife, huh? Yeah, all you have to do is just do that. Just shred it and then it's gonna be good.
It's almost gonna fall.
Huh?
It's almost gonna fall.
Oh, you gotta be careful. But we're gonna go eat now.
Ouch. I'm gonna mix it now.
Okay, but before that, let's show them that I have already drained everything.
Yeah, but there's oil.
No, I drained the juice from the fruit cocktail, the pineapple tidbits, and then we have the kaong, and I have already drained everything. Now, next thing we're gonna do is we are going to mix it. Okay. Are you ready? Okay. So let's do it. Okay, let me pour this thing in here. Okay. Oopsie.
Oopsie doopsie.
It's gonna be so good. It's gonna be so cool, huh? Okay. This is actually very. Most Filipinos really prepare this.
Now it's red.
Yeah, because of kaong. We'll show that. There you go. And then we're ready.
Oh, wait.
Oh, no, just hold it because we're gonna do that. Okay, so in order for this one to be so creamy, you normally I just use the condensed milk and then the Nestle cream. But if you really want it to be creamy, kung gusto mo talaga maging creamy siya, so gawin mo, you use 2 cans of the, yeah. So are you ready to mix it, babes?
Yes.
Okay. And let's have this one first.
I'm slicing it.
Oh, don't slice it, babes, because you're going to mash the, how do you call this one? Yeah, the fruits. You don't want to do that.
Yeah, it's already smashed. But
I
I'm
wanted
covering it.
I wanted to buy the Filipino cheese. Ayo, don't do that one, baby. We have already put in the first can of the the Nestle cream. Okay, you mix it, baby. Mix this one here. Mix it. You have to mix it really good. Okay. Oh, we have to show it.
Hello. Yum, 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 yum.
This is gonna be so good.
I'm mixing it.
I just love the cream, so I really wanted to use. Can I borrow your spoon, please?
Just
Okay.
gonna let Mom do that.
Yeah, you have to get ready because we're going to mix the Buko Pandan. Ooh, this one looks so good.
I just get away from Mom.
Then you're gonna start putting the Buko Pandan, okay? If Kuya was here. So this is the second can.
Again.
Yeah, because I want it really creamy. I don't want it too sweet. I want it creamy, but not too sweet. You know what I mean?
I'm spraying it everywhere.
You're spreading it everywhere? Okay. Ooh, I need to...
And my brother is playing Xbox.
Yeah, Kuya is busy right now.
And playing Terraria. I'm a fan of Minecraft.
You're a fan of it. Okay, hold on.
If
Okay,
you're-
let me mix it. Okay.
If you're a fan of Minecraft, you'll be a fan of Xbox.
Oh,
But
but I'm not a gamer, so I don't know. Oh, look how creamy that is.
My mom likes Pac-Man like this.
Yeah, I only like Pac-Man. The only sad thing is we don't have the cheese, the Filipino cheese. I like the Filipino cheese, but there's no available cheese in the store, so too bad. Okay, now you pour that one. You can use this one. Yeah, you can use the spoon. So put some. There you go. So that will be our buko. It's like a buko salad right now. Okay.
Looks like a mukusan.
Well, it's okay. It's much better because the fresh buko here is actually too hard, and I don't really like the taste. So this one would be much better. Okay, no, not like that. Not like that.
Actually, I didn't do a lot.
Okay. There you go.
I'm sorry, my brother's talking right now in a game. But
Oh, it smells really good. I would definitely recommend you guys to use this one. How do you call this one? The Buko Pandan as a substitute for your fresh buko. This is so good. It smells really good. I love the smell. Okay. More, baby? Okay, so I'm so excited to taste this one. This is actually our first time using the Buko Pandan on our fruit salad.
and my brother is back again.
Yep, and Kuya is back.
And
Okay.
he was playing Terraria and stopped. No, I didn't. I was watching videos of
Okay. Do you want to try this one, baby, now? Huh? Do you want to try this one? Kuya loves the condensed milk.
Look,
Okay. So this is it. It's already done, and I'm gonna let Cassey taste this thing. Okay. Okay, you wanna try it now? Okay. I'm gonna give you yours.
Wait.
No, you can use your ice cream. Your ice cream cup.
No, it's not cup.
Wait, plate.
No,
Try.
it's a bowl. Ice cream.
Okay, an ice cream bowl. Okay, here you go. Try it first. Okay, try.
I know you can't see it because this is blue.
Oh, okay.
I can't pick it up. I can't.
Oh, well, you have to get it. You like it? Is it good? Okay. So this is what we are going to have for our dessert. And I also made some leche flan, the ube flan, and the regular flan for Kuya. And Kuya wants me to make Buko. So I still have to make Buko for tonight. Okay? So don't forget to, and don't forget to subscribe and share. Okay, finish your food first. You're so cute. Okay, so, and thanks for watching and hope you learned something today from Cassie's video. And
Bye.
happy
New Year's.